Clean. Here we are arriving at the 8th implementation of Lisp, and it's Lisp suit design. Here, first is some Lisp for viewing this. First I go. This is an oven. This is not the let's go. Fit. Proposes a new service list on this one. And first, let's ride the main lift. Yeah. But I am not going to be taking this lift. Clong, 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 clong. We are on the 12th floor. But next, it is a very interesting. Here on a little of Hyrule. Here is a very amazing, very interesting. This is not a far. And now to the service list. Let's write it. There's a lily of the dark on the service list. Here the buttons. Clean.